Do you need the Xhorse VVDI key tool max? Do you want to save money, space, and time? Disclaimer. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of information, resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. Now here's SgtLocksmith.
All right, so with the email that I ended up getting, here's going to be a little quick breakdown for you. You're new in the locksmith field, the Xhorse key tool max. Yes, get it. And the reason why I suggest get it is, this is just one example. Here's 5 Kia and Hyundai remotes, 4-button remotes. You got 5 of them, can be replaced by one of these. So, one, you're not going to go wrong. It helps you on these. The remote, these here, you get them for under 10 bucks or so. That's great. Believe me, the price, because you get some of these, they're 20 bucks. So, this would be a good tool to use. I'm a fan of it. That remote right there is one of my big sellers, but this one here is my biggest seller. You replace so many keys and remotes, and the system is compact enough that if you're beginning, it works out great for you. Yes, I would say, in my opinion, to get it. One, the cost ratio and what it can do is well worth it. With the remotes, and they keep expanding their line, works even better. The only downfall with this system is you got to have internet service, so your phone needs to have a hotspot capability, or you can use it via app. But this also will control a lot of the Xhorse systems. I would go for it, and if you shop around, you might find a bundle deal. The remotes, we ended up getting a nice little display system, and with the ones that we've been selling, it's not the black ones, it's normally the bright colors. It's the father getting a flip key for his kid. Works great. These here I've used on a lot of Toyotas. I've also used this for replacement of the Jeep key. And we're going to go back into the remote headed key. That's where this one comes into play. So it works nicely. And the nice thing about this one here is I've replaced so many General Motors remotes with these. Yeah, I know their remotes are $4 or $5 if you catch them on sale, but I don't have to carry 20 remotes when this one right here can replace them 20. So space wise, yes, I would honestly say go with it. If you like what you've heard so far, hey, we're going to be releasing videos, and every now and then, if you check at the bottom of the description down below, and this is one of the videos that has it. Thanks for watching and making it this far. We've got the E4 Mafia. Well, Special C. Brown, he made a little video up. It's going to be private linked, and it's a little different area of a subject. But hey, I took enough of your time. Thanks again for listening. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you would. Send us an email if you got a question. We're going to be ramping up a lot of videos. Again, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.